Good morning from Kidani village. My name is Hannah, and this is day 2 of our family Disney World trip. And we're currently staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village. I am a DVC member, and we have the Savannah View 1-bedroom refurbished room. So they had just completed the refurbishment, I think this month. I have no complaints about it, honestly. We got really lucky and also got basically the first floor, so we don't have to take an elevator up. We have 2 strollers, and that can be very difficult and time consuming when you have to go up and down the elevator. So I'm very glad that we got really close to the lobby as well. It's only a few steps away from where you can refill your resort mugs, and they also have convenience store things like milk, juices, frozen pizzas, and quick meals, quick snacks, things like that there. Last night we went to the pool and came back, and it was just a madhouse. Parents, you probably know, especially that have 3 kids or more, it was just chaos trying to get all the kids ready for bed, and then adults trying to get showers and get ready for bed. They got hungry, of course, after the pool, so they were eating snacks. So after settling everybody down, we came back around 9 o'clock, and then it took about an hour and a half to get everybody settled down in bed, and then of course it took time to fall asleep. So basically, I'm a rope drop person through and through. I don't care if I got 4 hours of sleep, 5 hours of sleep. I can rope drop and then come back and take a nap. But with kids, it's a little different. So I am letting them sleep in, and I tried to get the Bluey virtual queue 7 a.m. this morning. I was right there at 7 o'clock. I clicked it and it was gone. This is insane, you guys. I didn't know it was going to be this difficult. We're going to try. We have breakfast reservations at Tusker House around 10 a.m. So I know the virtual queue, the second one drops at 10 a.m. So I'm going to try that while we're there. Hope for the best. And if we get it, we get it. If we don't, that's perfectly fine. My kids will be okay without seeing Bluey. It's not the end of the world. And they don't really know what's going on, honestly, because I'm usually the planner and they don't follow the Disney news or anything. So the kids, I haven't said anything about Bluey. I didn't want to set expectations in case I didn't get virtual queue. So hopefully I get it. If I don't, that's fine though. There's plenty of other things to do. We've got snacks to eat. We really wanted to try the ice cream sandwich, arepas, churros, and the pineapple crisp ice cream sundae. And yeah, just roam around, look at animals, maybe go on the safari ride, go walk on the trails. It's gonna be a hot day, and with the rains, I don't know what to expect. So the kids just want to come back and swim in the pool, and I'm okay with that too. So we'll spend as much time as we can at Animal Kingdom, and then come back, maybe take a little resort break, and then go back out or just stay at the resort. We'll see. One thing I will say, the park is open until 8 p.m. today, which I'm really surprised because they usually close at 6 or 7. So we do have some more evening time that we could utilize. So just depending on the weather, depending on how everybody feels, I will decide whether or not we go back to the parks. And yeah, so far my experience with the dining plan, I mean, we've only used it last night at the Mara, and I didn't get anything. Nothing really sounded great for me last night. I don't think I was really that hungry. The kids got just chicken fingers, and grandma got like one of those bowls that were African spice inspired, and she said it was pretty good. I had some of hers too. She gave me a few bites, and yeah, it was good. It was fresh, it was different. I like that it wasn't just your burger chicken tenders situation. And she also got a pog juice alcoholic version of it with vodka in it. So definitely made use out of her quick service meal and the kids meal. It was free. But yeah, I can definitely sense myself limiting or trying to make the most out of it, even though I think I will, especially because the kids eat for free. I think I will get the value out of it, but in my mind, I still feel like I have to maximize the value by ordering like either the most expensive, or if I want something a little cheaper, I tend to just not want it. So it definitely psychologically, I think, especially if you're trying to save money at Disney, I don't know that the dining plan is really that helpful, because I feel like in my head it's limiting me, and I would much rather just have a gift card with a budget for food, which is what I have done in the past. This is my very first time using the dining plan, because I don't drink alcohol, and we usually don't get desserts, at least per person. If we'll get one, we'll usually share, and yeah, we don't eat that much. So I'm interested to see. This time I booked a lot of character dining to make the use out of everything from the dining plan. But yeah, we'll see how I feel about it, and I'll keep you updated. On our way to Animal Kingdom! Yay! We're on our way to Animal Kingdom! Woohoo!
The breeze is lovely. You guys need to be right down here.
Who is that? Who is that? No. We gotta go sit down. We'll see him later, okay? We'll see him later. No, babe, we'll see him later. Yeah. We gotta go sit down so Donald can come visit us, okay? I know you want to say hi to Mickey, but we're right here.
Oh my gosh, he's gonna come see us.
I got the virtual queue for Bluey. You guys are gonna go see Bluey and Bingo. Bluey and Bingo, Benny. Mommy did it. Mommy did it. Donald, look. He's shy. He's being all shy. Hi, Donald. Benny, you want to come out here? Yeah. Give Donald a hug. Give Donald a hug. Aww. Thank you. Donald's trying to kiss you. Did you kiss a kiss? Picture for Grandma. Picture for Grandma.
Very good, you guys.
Betty, look here. Betty. Oh, big hug. Yes.
Getting close, we're getting more close.
Big hug. Oh, so sweet. Thank you, Donald. Belly, no more. French toast, whipped cream.
The syrup is over here.
Caramel banana sauce, macerated berries, all the Mickey waffles, Simba waffles.
This was a salmon frittata, really good. Eggs. This was the French toast. It's pretty good. Chicken sausage, and then the waffle. And got some fruits, chicken sausage, egg, cinnamon roll. So round 2, I got this shakshuka thing with this bread, and then got some more of the salmon frittata, and then chicken curry with the jasmine rice, I think, for more of a savory breakfast after my pancake, waffle, cinnamon toast, and all that stuff. And some more fruits. So tall! Did you eat a lot when you were young? Yeah. You want a hug? Oh, sorry, Billy. You gotta go out.
I'm gonna give it a little.
Oh, thank you. He's a hugger. You can get off, Billy. You go hug Goofy. You remind him of our dog that we have at home. He got big shoes. Yeah, he does. Look at him. And legs. All right, Billy. You don't have to touch like that. Give him a bye-bye hug. It's really, really hot outside, Goofy. Stay inside, okay? Bye. Hi, Mickey. Don't tell anybody, especially Donald, but you're our favorite. Especially this girl. She loves you so much. You're so pretty. Billy? Elliot? Are you shy? Are you shy, mister? You want to give Daisy a hug? Aww. Thank you. Yeah. Boop, boop, boop. Can we get a picture real quick?
Can we get a one of them? I'll take it.
After breakfast, we wanted to stay around the area because I didn't know exactly what time our virtual queue boarding group was going to get called. So we went on this Gorilla Falls trail to walk off our breakfast and to wait for our boarding group to get called for Bluey.
They're little baby moles. Bullfrog, African bullfrog. Oh my gosh, he's big. It's a spider tortoise. There's a snake back there. How cool is that? There's so many fish in the water. Oh, and they're so colorful. He's searching for food, for fish.
Dude, go here. Just take the condiment.
I'll drive with some other kids watch that. Right? Let the other kids. Alright, let's go back.
That's so cute. She's a Florida bird.
Gorillas, yeah. Shaky bridge. Shake it. Oh, bumpa, bumpy, bumpy. See if you can spot any animals out there.
These are the boys?
Yeah, this side is the boys, and then the other side is girls. Enjoy it, Grandma, yeah. He got up.
They have three snacks in here, right?
Yes. All right, how's the Dole Whip?
Great.
Good, as usual. Blair, you like your float?
I don't love the pineapple piece.
Yeah?
No, I don't like it.
Billy, you enjoying the ice cream? that, we made it. We're right here. Oh, we could have parked it in here. Yeah.
Hey, same bag.
Do you want to just hang out here with me? You guys just sit on the right hand side for
This
me.
side.
Please stop.
Oh, I like how they have it facing like that.
Those people have to get off first, and then we'll get on it, Elliot, okay?
For your safety, please remain seated and keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, and tails inside.
Keep your tails
Not
inside.
allowed on the Wildlife Express. And please watch your kiddos at all times. Right, what are you even doing? Juggle? Conservation Station is the heart of our animal care system. There, you can meet our wildlife specialists, watch them work, and ask them about how they care for our animal friends.
Ooh, that sounds amazing.
Now please sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery. We'll be arriving at Conservation Station shortly.
I spied my little eye something colored pink.
Leaves?
Yeah.
Good one, babe.
Yeah, I'm pretty great.
We're now approaching the homes of some of our animals. The animals that roam the savannah by day return here each night for their care and feeding.
Oh, wow.
Make sure you watch out for drop bears.
Are you joking?
Yeah, I'm joking. But seriously, watch out for snakes.
Also, make sure to check out our wild playtime experience at Conservation Station, where kiddos and their grown-ups can have fun playing lots of games.
Why? What did he do? Was he pooping?
Yeah. He's on the fence.
Oh, I didn't see it.
We're now approaching Conservation Station. For your safety and the safety of those around us.
Got it?
Thanks, mate, and enjoy your visit to Conservation Station.
Train stopping!
Just got off the train, the Conservation Station train.
I called it constipated.
Yeah, some of us are experiencing that, I guess. And then now we're walking towards the Bluey show. And we're so excited. Bluey.
Not you, Lily, just one. There can just be one. But then you gotta knock it.
This is where the line starts. Line starts here.
Sound good? Yeah? Then let's play Copycat Train! Alright, first animal, what you got for me, Daniel? Alright, I'm hopping.
We're all about animals. We love talking about animals. We love acting like animals. And we love playing like animals. Who else here loves animals? Wow! Well, we have some really fun animal games to play with you. If you're excited excited, make your favorite animal sound. Go! Be louder than that. Right, moms and dads? Let's make those animal sounds again. Oh, wait. Did you hear that? Who in the wild world makes that noise? Bluey and Bingo? Yeah, I wish they were here to make that best one. Oh! Look! Real life! Bingo! I cannot believe this! I'm excited! Hooray! Hi, you two! Would you like to play some fun animal games with us? Something tells me you two love playing games. For each round, you guys, I'll pick a card from this deck to tell us what we're going to play next. Are you ready? Yeah! Oh, Lily's ready. Are you ready? Yeah! Let's see what our first game is. It's magic asparagus. You know, some animals like to eat asparagus in the wild, but this is a magic asparagus. See, if I point at someone and call out an animal, chicken! They become that animal. Okay, back to yourself. Wow, I wonder if this works on
Lily, you want to go next to Blair?
All around the room, there are nests of birds. Bingo! Bingo's on the red nest. Back there's my friend Emily at the green nest. Lily's at the blue nest, of course. And Bailey's at the yellow nest. Now, your job as moms and dads is to make sure that the baby birds end up back in the nest the same color. Got it? Are you ready? Oh, I'm bringing the bird. I'm bringing the bird. Who's ready? Who's set? Let's go!
Let's make like a tree and move.
All the animal carvings on that.
No quieres entenderlo, pues.
Yeah. This is from the Smiling Crocodile, and then the family churros, is pretty much gone now. Between these three little munchkins, they ate all the churros. Yep. And then we got the Bluey's like berry lemonade after watching Bluey. How is it? You like it?
Yeah.
Is it good? Yeah? Yummy? We are leaving Animal Kingdom now, going back to our resort, and then have some pool time. Animal Kingdom's open until 8 p.m. so we might come back. We'll see how everybody feels. Oh my god. There's a giraffe eating dinner.
Wawa? You better drop that come up. So we can like really up close. Wawa.
Yeah, there's a lot of Wawa there from the rain.
What? It's literally making a whole flood.
So our plan was to go back out to Animal Kingdom for the evening, but I don't know if you just heard the thunder. It is thundering and raining a lot, so we decided to just stay in the resort and relax and do some activities because we have a long Hollywood Studios day tomorrow. So we're just going to stay in, relax, and have a early night, hopefully. But yeah, once we came back from Animal Kingdom, we went to the pool, relaxed, and enjoyed the pool. The kids enjoyed the pool a little bit. And then Blair did a little Mickey tie-dye activity. And then we got lightning, thunder warning, so everybody was kicked out of the pool. So we came back to the room and then had some snacks and got ready to go back to Animal Kingdom. But when we walked out, everybody was walking back in because it was raining, pouring rain, and it will be for the next couple hours, and we didn't want to really go out in the rain, so we are just staying at the resort and going to find out some resort activities. We might check out the arcade also, but it's amazing because we have this safari view we can look at and all these craft activities, toys to play with, and we can even just watch a movie in our room, enjoy, relax. So that's what we're going to do tonight, and that's totally okay. So this is the community hall. They're playing a movie. We have some baby toy stuff. And then over here, they have like crafts and books over here that you can do, building blocks. Got some Legos over here, Mr. Potatoes. There's Elliot, Lily, and Blair playing over here. And you have the view of the safari as well. You got the giraffes, zebras, all right here. They are loving this rain. Loving this rain. And then we have like this chest. Foosball. Some different games over here as well. Computers. And then they do have the schedule at the resort of daily activities. So earlier when we were at the pool, Blair did the tie-dye. I don't know where the tie-dye is, but poolside activities and Mickey tie-dye Sunday, Wednesday, and Fridays. So we did that today. There's mosaics. There's make your own ears. Pickleball you can borrow, making African jewelry. They have campfires nightly. Yep. Lots of things to do even in the rain when you don't want to go outside in the rain. There's a pool table. Oh yeah, right here. Pool table. And again, safari view. Look at this. Why wouldn't you want to just be here in the rain and not go outside?
Let's go see what else they have. They got
This is such a great space. Kids can just play with all these toys, relax a little bit.
Oh, I know. I know what we want to play with. Yeah, that's
Billy
really
kind of looks like you.
That is a really angry planet. Hey, we have these blocks.
I like yours.
This is why we stay at Animal Kingdom Lodge, because giraffes just come right up. There's another one. There's more. Oh my gosh. Yeah. They're walking over here. They are loving this rain. I think they're eating dinner right now after the rain. Ostriches are still over there.
Mama, say it.
Yeah, those are I forgot what they were called.
This is so
Crowned something.
Crowned emo. Mom, this is so good name.
That would, yeah. Yeah, it sounds
Mom,
legit.
Oh, I will rumble. It's crowned also. Wow. Oh wait, I might remember. Crowned.
Really?
I see mine.
Yeah.
Gone. Crowned cockatoo? I see mine too. Grandma, you missed the